Good morning, class. Please take your seats quietly. We'll go ahead and get started very soon. I'll start by taking roll. Okay, everybody, please be quiet so that I can hear everyone when they say that they're here. Thank you. Is everybody settled? Good. Noah? Hello, Noah. Charlie? Good morning, Charlie. Emma? Hello, Emma. Max? Good morning, Max. Elmer? Hello, Elmer. Ruby? Hi, Ruby. Evelyn? Hi, Evelyn. Forgot I switched your seat. Theo? Hi, Theo. I like your haircut. Looks good. Mason? Hello, Mason. Finley? Hello, Finley. Dylan? Hi, Dylan. Riley? Riley. Teddy? Teddy. Harper? Harper? Did anybody see Harper? No? She wasn't lined up outside with you guys? Okay, okay, then I'll mark her as absent for now. Maybe she'll show up later. Aaron? Hello, Aaron. Tori? Good morning, Tori. Arlo? Arlo? Yes. Please pay attention. Thank you, Arlo. Luca? Hello, Luca. Harley? How are you doing, Harley? Good. That's good. I'm good too. And last but not least, Reggie. Reggie, good morning. Looks like almost everyone is here. We just might be waiting on Harper. Maybe she'll come by a little later. Or maybe she'll be absent and hopefully we see her next week. So I'd like to start off the day by going over the homework that was assigned for the week. So if everybody could take out their homework, that'd be great. Yes. What was that? You forgot your homework. That is completely fine. Here, I have an extra packet for the homework. Take that. I was actually planning on going over the answers anyway, so just follow along and fill in the answers as we go, and you can just turn it in. You'll get full credit. Okay. Everyone will be getting full credit on this week's homework assignments, so just correct your answers as we go, and everyone can learn from their mistakes. And everyone, again, will be getting full credit. So don't feel bad if you skipped any problems or if you had trouble with anything. Just write in the correct answers as I give them to you, okay? Great. Now, if everyone could take out the sheet that says one more sheet 10 on the very top. There's also a picture of a lizard on top as well. Now please everyone make sure to write your name up on top, okay? I'll write mine as well. And we'll go ahead and get started. So the instructions say write the number that is one more. So one more than the number that is written. So can somebody read the first example for me? Yes, go ahead. Number 1 is 10, and one more than 10 is 11. Thank you. So number 2 is 7, and one more than 7 would be correct, 8. So number 3 is 14, so one more than 14 13 would be, you can use your fingers, go ahead. It's 10 plus 5. 15. Yes, good. 15. And number 4 is 3, so 1 more than 3 is 4, correct. Number 5 is 12, and 1 more than 12 is, does anybody know the answer? 13. Good job, Tori. 13. Number 6 is 8, so 1 more than 8 would be, do you know the answer? 9. Exactly. Good job. Good job. Number 7 is 1, and 1 more than 1 is 2. Number 8 is 20, and 1 more than 20 is 21. Great job. Number 9 is 13, and 1 more than 13 is 14. Correct. Number 10 is 6, and 1 more than 6 is, you want to say the answer? Go ahead. 7. Exactly. Number 11 is 9, and 1 more than 9 is Elmer. Elmer, can you please stop eating the glue? Yes, this is your first warning. We've talked about this before. Please, Elmer, no more eating the glue. Thank you. Do you want to tell us what 1 more than 9 is? 10. Good job. Number 12 is 19, so 19 plus 1 is 20. Good. Number 13 is 22, so 22 plus 1 is 23. You guys are doing a great job. Number 14 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. Good job. 1 more than 2, 3. 1 more than 15. Does anybody know? Yes? 16. That's correct. How about 24? Does anybody know what 24 plus 1 is? 25. Good. Now, here's a tricky one. Number 18, we have 0. What's 1 more than 0? 1. Good job, you guys. You guys are doing great. Alright. And how about 4 plus 1? 5. Good job. And 16 would be 17. Good. 23. 24. Good. 5 plus 1. 6. 18 plus 1. 19. Good. 21 plus 1. Does anybody know? 22. Good. 25 plus 1. 26. Good. And does anybody know the answer for the last one? 17 plus 1. 18. Good job. Alright, we finished that. Now put that aside for now, and we'll move on to the next homework sheet. The next homework assignment we'll look over is the one with the addition of 3s. On top it says, let's help Alicia with these +3 addition sums. So if everybody can just take out that paper for me. Thank you. And again, just fill in the answers as we go. And again, please make sure that your name is written up at the top. Okay, so we'll look at this first problem here. Does somebody want to read this problem for me? Go ahead. Okay, yes. 1 plus 3. And do you know the answer? Okay, well, we can use this number line down here to help us if you need help with addition. So if it's 1 plus 3, we'll start at the 1 on the number line, and then as you can see here, they kind of hop over to the other numbers on the number line when you want to add numbers. So if you start at 1 and we want to add 3, so we go 1, 2, 3, and we hopped over 3 spaces to get to this number here. And what is that number? 4. Good. So the answer of 1 plus 3 would be 4. Good. And fill in the answer there. And let's move to the side. 3 plus 3 would be, again, let's look at the number line. Start at 3, and let's say we move 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. And where do we land? 6. So the answer would be 6. Good. And let's look at this problem here. It says 7 plus 3. So if we start here at 7 and we go 1, 2, 3, where do we land? 10, right? So the answer would be 10. Good job. And the next problem, 2 plus 3. Again, 2 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. We end at 5 again, right? And so the answer is 5. And the next problem, 0 plus 3. Start at 0. 1, 2, 3. Where do we end up? 3. Good. And 5 plus 3. Start at 5. 1, 2, 3, and we end at 8. Now put that with the other sheet that we just completed. And the next worksheet I'd like for you to take out is the ones with the crayons on the bottom that have the colors on the crayons. Does everybody have this? Good. Okay. Now we'll go over these problems and then we'll figure out which color they need to be colored in based off of the number that it adds up to, okay? So in this corner, 2 plus 5, go ahead and say the answer when you know it. 7, good. 2 plus 1, 3, good. 4 plus 3, 7, good. 7 plus 1, 8. 5 plus 3, also 8, good. 7 plus 8, 15, good. 6 plus 2, 8. 5 plus 4, 9, good. 9 plus 9. And this one's a hard one for you guys. Okay, well, 9 plus 9 is 18, okay? Everybody just fill that in. It's okay if you didn't get that one. 3 plus 3, 6. 9 plus 8. This one's also tough, huh? It's very similar to 9 plus 9, but we subtract 1, so that would be 17. Good. And 5 plus 9 is 14. 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 plus 3, 5. 8 plus 8 is 16. 3 plus 7 is 10. 9 plus 6 is 15. 3 plus 1 is 4. 2 plus 2 is also 4. 6 plus 1 is 7. 6 plus 8 is 14. 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 plus 1 is 5. 1 plus 1 is 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. 8 plus 1 is also 9. 5 plus 5, 10. Good job. 6 plus 4, also 10. Good. 8 plus 2, also 10. 1 plus 9, also 10. Good job. 7 plus 7, 14. Good. And 9 plus 7 is 16. And did we get all of them? I think we did. Okay, and now we can go ahead and color this in. So everyone go ahead and grab your colored pencils. There should be a pack in everyone's pencil box on their desk. And for this worksheet, we are going to need blue, red, yellow, gray, brown, and black. So we'll grab those. So we'll find blue. Yeah, you can use any kind of blue you like. I'll use the light blue and red. Use the normal red. And yellow, gray, brown, and black. Great. So now we have all of our colors. So let's see. This says blue and 5. So that means wherever the answer is 5, we will color in that part blue, okay? So can anybody show me where the answer 5 is? Right in the center? Right here? Good. So let's grab our blue colored pencil and color that in. And it does not have to be perfect, but let's practice coloring in the lines, okay? And is there anywhere else where the answer is 5? Up here? Correct. So we'll also color that blue. Good. Anywhere else? I think those are all of the blue areas. So let's move on to red. Any answers that are 4 need to be colored in red. So take our red colored pencil, and where is the answers for? Here, correct. So these 2 areas right here, color those in. Anywhere else? I think that's it. So the next color is yellow. So let's grab our yellow colored pencil and let's look for the answers that have 3. So, where are they? I see one right here. Is that the only one? Yes, good. So we'll color this one in here. And another yellow would be where the answer 17 is. So where is the answer 17? I see one here. Is that it? That's it? Okay. Color that in as well. Okay. And the next color is gray. And we're going to fill in the number 2 answers with gray. So I see that a number 2 answer is up here. Is there anywhere else? 2? I think that's the only one. So let's color that in with gray. And also 15 needs to be colored in gray as well. So 15 is here and also here. So let's color both those in gray. And the next one is brown. So let's take our brown colored pencil and color in the answer that has 6. So down here I see 2, and I think that's it. So let's color those. And 16, which is also down here, let's color those in. And the last color that needs to be used is black. And now it has all of these numbers, but do we need to go looking for every single answer to fill in the rest of this? No, because we can just fill in the rest with black since those are the only answers left. Let's go ahead and fill that in. Now this might take a while, so just go ahead and take your time. Okay, students, so as I was coloring this in, I noticed that this outer part of the flame on the rocket has the number 18 for the answer, and nowhere on the bottom does it say 18. And I don't think a flame is supposed to be black, so I think they meant to make this red, and this should have also included 18 for red. So you can either leave it black or color it red if you'd like, so it matches the rest of the picture. Also, let's not forget to write our names on the top of the paper again. And again, put this homework assignment with the other ones we finished. We just have one more assignment to go and then we'll be done. And then I think it'll be time for recess pretty soon. Okay, please take out the last homework assignment that have these clocks on the front. Again, let's write our names on the top one last time. This one is called Telling Time, and the instructions say draw in the minute and hour hands to match the digital time. So, can somebody tell me what the first clock says? 5 o'clock. Good. And where would the hour hand go? It would point towards the 5. Good. And is the hour hand shorter or longer? Shorter. Good. So we draw an arrow pointing to the 5. Now, where would the minute hand go? You think it would be pointing towards the 5 as well? Okay, let's see. Now, does that look right? You think you want to change your mind? Okay. That's correct. Yes, it does point up to the 12. Good job for correcting your mistake. So remember everyone, when it's the top of the hour, when the minutes are 0, we always point the longer arrow up to 12, okay? Let's try again with this next one. 11 o'clock. Where does the short arrow point to? The 11, good. And now where does the long hand point to? The 12, good. And the next one, 8. Short hand to 8, long hand to the 12, good. And this one, 10. Short hand at the 10, long hand at the 12. 1 would be short hand at the 1, long hand at the 12. 6, short hand at the 6, long hand at the 12. 3 o'clock, short hand at the 3, long hand at the 12. And does this matter if it is AM or PM? Good, this doesn't matter if it's AM or PM. And 12 would be short hand at 12, and where would the long hand be? At 12 also, good. And the last one would be 9, short hand at 9, long hand at 12. Good job everyone. You guys did an amazing job. Now put that all together with your other homework assignments, and if you could pass those assignments all to the front, that would be great. Thank you. Okay, great job everybody. Everyone will be getting full credit as long as you turned it in. Okay everyone, it's almost time for recess. I'll let you guys go out a little bit early, so if everybody can just line up, we'll go outside and play.